Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and start pairing. Wait, do I have the Apple Watch app on my iPhone?
Is this your first Apple Watch?
It is. Today, I am unboxing my very own Apple Watch Series 5. I'm so stoked. I've been wanting this for like, I don't know, way too long now, and I finally bought it. So I'm really excited, but once I open this, I can't change the color, return it, or anything. So this is it. So, as you guys can see, the packaging is so clean. It's all white. It just has the Apple Watch logo in it. It's super pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so in the back of the box, I have the details. I got the space gray aluminum case with the black sport band, the 40 millimeters. I don't know what this is, but I guess this is part of the packaging design. Ooh! Oh my god, it's so pretty! Oh my god, it's so pretty! I'm like geeking out over the design because it's so cool. I love this. Kind of want to like keep it. All right, so there's two parts. I guess this is the case and this is the band.
Oh.
Okay, so thank God there is protection on the case, because if you are a klutz like me and you end up dropping it, it'll be protected. And I wash my hands before this. Okay, there's the case. That's the charger. And then now the band is all black. Guess I will just open it through this. Oh my gosh, this is officially mine now. No turning back. Yo, their packaging though. It's so pretty, isn't it?
It is.
Okay. It's got all the instructions. Is this like an extra band? Oh, for size. There's small, medium, and medium and large. I will probably be this one. And then this is the other side. Okay. So, it says slide until you hear a click. Did you hear the click?
I heard it. I heard it.
So I attached both of the bands and then it just automatically turned on. It's taking a second, I guess. All the languages are coming on, similar to when you start your iPhone. So yeah, I mean, I wasn't like gung-ho about buying the watch before until recently because I started running outside and I hate having to take my phone with me because it's so big. So I want to have this so I can use like the different running apps and listen to music without having my phone on me. That was pretty much my main motivator for buying this. Okay, start pairing, start pairing. Put your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Align it with the viewfinder below. Okay. iPhone out of date.
How embarrassing.
You need to update your iPhone.
Before you can pair it with your Apple Watch, you'll have to update it to the latest version of iOS. So that was the unboxing. Obviously, once I start using it, I'll have better idea of what features I enjoy and what I don't really love too much. So I guess stay tuned for part 2. But you know what's weird? On this illustration, This thing is on the left top side, but mine's on the right. Is that fine?
It's upside down.
Is it?
Yeah, if you turn it upside down, it'll match the illustration, right?
Yeah.
No. Cause look.
If you flip it over? No, I mean, turn the watch. Yeah, there. That's the back.
Oh. Don't include that.
It's too late. We got it all.